guys. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So, rather than every video that I do, I say to you, I've been gone for a while, like, hopefully I'm back for good, we'll see. So if you didn't know, I've been at the P. Louise Academy studying to be a professional MUA, not just a self-taught from YouTube one. So I've literally gone from self-taught on YouTube to a fully fledged professional. Like, can you believe it? Because I fucking can't. So yeah, I've been at the P. Louise Academy, I've dyed my hair, gone to the dark side, I'm absolutely loving it. Kind of feel as though my brows are a little bit different, but that's for another video. I'll link my base products down below. By the way, I'm into fake tan at the moment, so I look a bit pale and like, yeah. But we'll get into it, my darlings. So I've got a few videos planned. I think I'm just going to upload once a week, because that was like, just to see how it goes. So if there's anything you guys want to see, just comment down below and I will be sure to test things out, do makeup. I will do an updated routine as well. So my recording setup now is on my iPad Pro, so we should be in 4K. So I sold my camera because I was a bit tight on money, and I decided to get an iPad Pro because I really missed doing videos. So my iPad should be in 4K. I have no idea how you do it or how it works, but yeah, we're really gonna see everything and it scares me. So all these people that are like, it's full coverage, we're gonna see because of my acne scars, things that are pore filling, we're gonna see because I've got Benefit Professional on, and even though my pores do look kind of okay and smooth, we're gonna see fine lines, we're gonna see, like with me and this channel, we're gonna see if things work. And I think that's what makes me different, is look at me. And I'm also on a diet again because yeah. So in today's video, what we're gonna be doing, I'm excited for this one. I thought I'd like step into things like, you know, like a toddler does, where they like dip the foot into the pool before diving in. That's what I'm doing. So in today's video, we are gonna be reviewing the Joliebeauty Oh So Blinding Highlighting Palette. So that's what we're gonna be reviewing today, and I bought this myself a few weeks ago and it is absolutely sickening. I already know, I've been playing with it. So it's kind of like not a review, but for you guys it will be a review, because I've looked online and there isn't anyone that's reviewed this yet. So I'm going to be sharing everything with you today. So when you get it, it comes in this little packet, and on the back it's got like little things, so I'll read that to you now. It says, our Oh So Blinding Highlighter Palette contains 6 silky and high pigment powders to really add wow to your makeup. With enchanting shades to suit every skin type, these highlighters can be mixed and matched to create beautifully unique shades. Our long-lasting powders are formulated to stay in place all day long. So that's what it says there. Obviously we've got cruelty-free, vegan and all that good stuff. So yeah, when you get it, it comes in this sleeve and you just literally slide it out, and then this is the palette and it's so cute, guys. Are you ready for this? So here is the palette and here are the shades. So the shades, we've got Blissful, Dreamy, Pixie Dust, Dawn, Golden Hour and Rising Sun. So I've got 2 of these palettes because the formula in these are so creamy. So this is the first one that I bought, and basically what happened with this one is it broke. So these 3 shades here like just came out of the pan because the formula, guys, wait until you touch the formula. Honestly, it is the creamiest, butteriest, like it is, the formula is second to none. It is so good. If you do get this, just be careful because it can go tits up, but the colour payoff is amazing. So I'm going to tell you how much this is, just bear with me. My internet is so slow, like I can't cope. And I've got a new phone, it's gold. So good. Okay, so the palette online is $23.99. On the Joliebeauty website, it is so worth the dollar. On the website, it says it's time to blind the haters with our so blinding highlighter palette. This palette has 6 glorious and high pigmented shades. These professional grade highlighters use our new formula, which are much creamier, buttery and longer lasting. These silky powders can be blended together to create a whole host of different shades and will take you from summer to winter. Packaged in a gorgeous metallic rose gold with mirror and magnetic closure, our new and improved compact design is handbag and makeup artist kit friendly. With that, all I'd say is just be careful, because it is such a like nice creamy soft formula that it can break. So if you are travelling with this anywhere, just be careful with it, because I don't want you to ruin it. So I'll say a little bit about the shades and then just swatched on my finger, guys. That's what it looks like holy shit. And then I'm sorry, this is going to be so awkward, swatched on my hand, like holy shit. Blissful is a light warm gold and it's just such a nice shade. Next we have Dreamy. So Dreamy is a very light, cool champagne pink, and this is probably my favourite shade in the palette. This is Pixie Dust. So Pixie Dust is a light, warm champagne pink, and then we've got Dawn, which is a medium gold. Next up we have Golden Hour. That one went a bit tits up. So Golden Hour went a bit tits up because of my knuckles, but Golden Hour is a medium bronze gold. I'd say it was a more yellow gold instead of bronze. Like bronze to me is like brown bronze. And then next up we have I can't do this. Next up we have Rising Sun. Rising Sun is a champagne, but out of maybe, like, to me it looks like a pink, but yeah. So yeah, there we have all of the shades. So good, like, oh my god. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can mix and match to create like different shades, and also I'm going to put it on face. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Golden Hour and then I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand like so, and then I think I'll take the shade Rising Sun, and then with this you can see if I can, with this you can literally put it on top and it will like change colour. So do you see how like that's got more of a bronzier like gold? I don't think you can see it on camera, to be fair. So like it's gone like a kind of bronzier gold. So you can put a little bit more. So I'm just taking the same shade and putting a little bit more of Rising Sun on top. And then as you can see, it's just gone like a really, really nice bronzy golden. And as you can see, like that colour is not in the palette at all. Like I have literally just created that colour. That's the good thing about this, is that you can create different colours. So let's take another shade. So I'm going to take Blissful and then put that right there, and then I'll take the shade, let's take Pixie Dust. I like Pixie Dust, and then right on top of that I'm just going to put that like so. Now that's just turned like really, really icy. So like that's literally the same colour as my backdrop. So as you can see, like there isn't that shade in there either. That's what I like about this palette, is that you can literally mix and match. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be taking the shade Dawn and I'm going to be putting Dreamy on top of it. So good. Oh yeah, this is the Joliebeauty one. I keep forgetting to mention it. 06. This is actually a face brush, but I've been using it for highlight and contour and everything. Just literally taking Dawn and literally be careful how much you pick up. Like look how much that picked up. These brushes, they pick up a lot of product, they disperse a lot of product, and I think at the minute they've got a £10 voucher off them, so hop on that. So just taking that shade, because I am like tanned, Dawn looks really nice on my skin. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I'll do this side. So here we go. Like, can you see that? Like, what? So I'm just gonna buff that in. Wow. So then with the same brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit of Dreamy and just dust a little bit off and then go right on top of that. Like, what? What? Like, you actually joking? So I'm gonna do the same on the other side because I think you might be able to see it better. So just taking Dawn. So just taking Dawn and putting that as my first highlighter, like what? And then taking Dreamy again. Like, see how that like just changes and makes it like high beam. I probably shouldn't have used this brush because it is like a fat brush to like highlight my cheeks with, but like, so good. So I'm gonna take my smaller brush. So I'm just gonna take pixie dust and put that down the bridge of my nose. Like, can you see that? Oh my god. And then I'm gonna take Rising Sun and put that on my cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna highlight my forehead. So I'm just gonna take Dawn and, in fact, I think I'll take Blissful and just highlight the high points of my forehead. Just gives a really nice glow. So next up, I'm gonna show you, like, just put it on my eyelids. I think I'm gonna take Golden Hour and I'm gonna put that on my lids actually. Pop it on. And what this will do is, using this type of brush, it'll just like look like, oh my god, it'll just like disperse the product like on your lid, and there's literally little to no blending at all. Like, you can literally just do that and that's it. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Dawn and put that on top. And then I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit, and for that I'm just gonna take Pixie Dust and just sweep it along. Sorry, the lighting in here isn't very good, but trust me, so good. Just gonna put a little bit of Dreamy in my inner corner just to wake me up a little bit, make me look a little bit alive. And then I'm just gonna throw on some lashes. Okay guys, so I've just gone away and thrown on some lashes to just give you like a little bit of a feel and vibe on how like it'd look, how you can use the palette, the diversity of the palette, obviously like mixing and matching the shades to get the kind of sheen, shine, colour you want. The eyes, like obviously you can put it on your eyes just for like an everyday going out look, like if you just want a bit of a thing going on. If this eye looks dodgy, don't worry, I could not get the lashes on. I think they're the wrong way around, but I'm still getting used to stacking lashes. If you are interested in these lashes, these are on Instagram, they're called Pro Brushes. I'll link them down below. Basically, while I was at the academy, I got in contact with them and they gave me like a code, like it's an MUA code basically for anyone that's an MUA or whatever. And so I started using their lashes. Such good lashes. They're actually coming out with new ones and they are like so wispy and gorgeous. They do bundles and literally it's like £2, it's like £2.60 something, or like it's basically £3 per lash if you work it out. But yeah, like the lashes are so good. These are in the style PL57 and PL23. PL23 is my current favourite, so I just stacked them together and then like put them on my eyes. When I turn to the side, you can see like how like fluffy and wispy they are, and yeah, like for the price they are so good, and they're such a good brand. They do like really nice brushes and stuff as well. Such a good company, so make sure you check them out. Okay, so this is the Mitchell palette. If you don't have this, it is a really nice palette. You've got like your deep tones, but same for Swatch, Made It and Babley. Like that's what they look like on my hand. So I'll swatch that one there, that one there. So that's what they look like. And then let's take Dreamy and Pixie Dust, and then put Dreamy here and Pixie Dust there. Like as you can tell, these are the Mitchell palette and this is Joliebeauty. Like, can you see why I fell in love with it? Because everyone was like going sick over this, and just look at that, like, wow. So back to the palette. This kind of concludes the review really. As you can see, like, the so blinding. Like, my lights in here are a bit crap because it's like kind of a dull room. I'm obsessed with these highlighters. Yeah, so $23.99 on the Jolie website. If you do want to save some money, my code will be down below, but basically if you use my code Ashman, you get 10% off. So yeah, if you do want to save yourself a bit of coin, use the code. You don't have to. You know, just helping you guys out. And plus, the reason why like I wanted a code with this brand is because I believe in this brand. I've used like a few of their products, like the bomb.com palette, the facial oil, so good. And obviously when they came out with this, when I got it, I was gobsmacked. It's literally better than the Mitchell palette. And then guys, when you put a flash on these, like, look at the Joliebeauty ones, like, oh my god, like, what? Like, that's with a flash. Like, if I put the flash on my cheek, watch this. Like, look at that. Okay, like, what? Oh, look at that, guys. I literally just want to sit here and do this for the rest of the night. So yeah, that literally is the end of this video. This is the palette. If you want it, go grab it. It is honestly such an amazing palette. You will not regret it. If you do get it and you use it, make sure you comment down below or tag me on Instagram. Everything will be down below. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This lash just pissed me off. Like, I was just like, I can't cope with it. It just really annoyed me, but now it kind of looks okay, so that's fine. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I am still getting used to my setup, and just let me know what you want me to, like, what you want to see in future videos, and thanks for watching.